Hey everyone, this is our Burst Chirping wireless car horn. It comes with one remote control is included. You can also purchase additional remote controls if you want more than one, but it does come with one remote control. So it's easy to hook up. Your black wire comes from your horn to go to a ground somewhere. It could be just your battery or just anywhere got a good ground source. Your red wire coming from your horn will go to a 12 volt power source. Could be your battery or fuse, just anywhere you got a good 12 volt power source. Now we got the horn facing down, but it's pretty loud and we don't want to hurt our ears here. This is our Burst Chirping wireless car horn. Okay.